Uh, Good morning, everyone. My name is Leo, the founder of Arkreen. Very happy to be here and to this great opportunity to show how we use the DePIN and the ReFi to create the public good in the Web3 and co-build the global inclusive climate action platform for the people. Let's start to ask our question. What is the most impactful public goods in the Web3 space? So one of the impressive challenges is the carbon footprint of the Bitcoin mining. Over the past 15 years, the Bitcoin network consumed a massive energy with the significant carbon footprint. No single entity is responsible for offsetting those carbon footprint. But 100% green the Bitcoin network will attract the more ESG-focused big institutions and the corporate to purchase and hold the Bitcoin, which will potentially boosting the price, the Bitcoin price value, and eventually benefit every, the Bitcoin token holder, including everyone here. So we think the most important, impactful public good in the Web3 is how to offsetting the historical, the legacy, the carbon emission of the Bitcoin network in the past 15 years. With this vision, the Arkreen launched the Green BTC Club initiative and tried to combine the DePIN and the ReFi to address this Bitcoin sustainable impact with the global community's collaboration, and also try to balance the public welfare and the sustainable commercial value. So the Green BTC Club gamified this effort. We're inviting the Web3 climate actors to green the Bitcoin legacy energy consumption. So we turn over the 800,000 Bitcoin blocks into a huge digital map, and using the Cambridge University the methodology to calculate every Bitcoin blocks the legacy historical carbon consumption. So the community member can select the one or the multiple the Bitcoin blocks and the on-chain offsite with the tokenized REC, renewable energy certificate. It's kind of environment asset, the green asset, or the carbon credit, to offset the carbon footprint of those Bitcoin blocks and get the reward based on the Green BTC Club's the play to impact to earn model. So near the 1 year community operation, the Green BTC Club achieved a significant impact. So more than 150,000 Bitcoin blocks already green, and which is over than the 100 gigawatt hour the legacy, the historical brown energy consumption of the Bitcoin network offsetted on-chain. And all those achievements 100% driven by the community individual. So they doing the on-chain small amount payment to get the tokenized REC and to do the on-chain offsite. And more than 20 the Web3 brand also joined this program, engaging with their community member to do the on-chain climate action campaign together. So our growing flywheel start with the token reward to attract the community member, the Web3 community member, to do the on-chain, the Bitcoin carbon offsite. And this momentum then attract the Web3 brand to join and to support this on-chain offsite standard, and also engaging with the community to do those on-chain carbon neutrality campaign together. And this offsite demand growth also attract more renewable energy, distributed renewable energy project to join us and to using our platform to on-chain issue their digital green asset, their REC. For example, recently one of the the global top, the solar inverter manufacturer, partner with us, try to using this platform to issue their global 50 gigawatt, the residential solar panels environment asset. And the NGO, the Solar Foundation, also work with us to monetizing their Africa community, the solar project. And in the future, we also hope to attract the non-Web3 brand for the high transparency, low cost, the on-chain carbon neutrality application with us. And we're aiming to build this platform as the largest, the on-chain rack, the marketplace, and also set up as the Web3 carbon neutrality on-chain standard. So a little bit deep dive into the Arkreen's technical framework, which is enable this Green BTC Club initiative. So we enable the individual, the key member, to connect their residential renewable energy resources. For example, like the solar panel, like the battery, storage battery, and with the energy data on-chain, then they can issue their digital green asset, the digital environment asset on the blockchain side. Then those digital assets can be off-sided on-chain in those decarbonization DM, for example, like the Green BTC Club. And Arkreen's utility token, AKRE, is capturing the eternal value by those on-chain issuance, on-chain trading, on-chain off-site transactions, and building this robust the green asset decentralized network. And we also offer the community solar program in the supply side. And I just show some hardware. So we motivate the global community member to onboarding their residential rooftop solar panel to the Arkreen platform using those IoT device. It's a smart meter. So they can onboarding their solar panel and to monetizing those renewable energy resources asset. And in the demand side, we offer the Platform Green program. And so the community member can use those, the IoT device. It's a smart plug to measure their daily energy consumption in their life with the on-chain, the real-time on-chain offsite. So we try to build this inclusive climate action platform for the people and to empowering everyone to participate in those meaningful on-chain climate action and also enjoy the reward as the recognition for their valuable contribution on the climate action. So lastly, I just hope to also propose this collaboration with the BGA and also really appreciate this great opportunity from the BGA. So we hope to propose the collaboration with the BGA to launch, initiate this launch pad for the Green On-Chain campaign on the Green BTC Club. So to give the BGA's ecosystem partner this unique, the decentralized platform, the tool for their brand, for their community member, to participate in the on-chain climate action. So let's, we call play to impact and the impact to earn, and build this blockchain for good together. So that is my introduction. And here's my, the Telegram, the QR code. And if anyone want to further discuss this, the project, and I will happy to, enjoy the competition with everyone. And I will also airdrop some, the Arkreen's solar, the miner to the, the people who want to continue explore our journey together with us. Thanks.